JUnit 4 annotation in JUnit. Here you can see the annotations in JUnit 4. There are two main abstract model for JUnit framework. One of it is the abstract of test unit. Each test unit has its own scope, name, initial state, and the way how to release the resources which are allocated during the testing time. The JUnit 4 it uses inheritance models to represent that concept. With the annotation, the framework use reflection to get the meta information of the test unit. The class has its own member, so JUnit use abstract method abstract class framework member to represent it. The class member can be classified into a field and method. JUnit uses framework field and framework method which inherit from framework member. Framework field maintain a private object of class field which is used in reflection. So do framework method. Here the can see the interface annotatable in dog.junit.runners.model, a model element that may have annotations. Here the framework, the class framework member type parameter t, extend framework member type parameter t. Here the class framework method represent a method on a test class to be invoked at the appropriate point in test execution. These methods are usually marked with an annotation such as at test, at before, at after, at before class, at after class, etc. Here class framework method in JUnit.runners.model represent a method that on a test class to be invoked at appropriate point in test execution. These methods are usually marked with an annotation such as at test, at before, at after, at before class, at after class, etc. Class test class wrap a class to be run, providing method validation, annotation, searching. Here you can see the interface annotatable. The implementing classes are framework member, test class, and there are other two implementation class, test class, and here the framework here the framework class framework framework member. Here the direct known subclasses, framework method and framework field. Now this is the end of my presentation. Thank you very much for watching it.